Hello students, in this video you will learn division of fractions. In your previous classes you had learned how to divide two numbers, and in class 7th you learned how to divide two fractions. So students, in exercise 2.4 you will find three types of question related to the division of fraction. First one, where you have to divide a whole number by a fraction. In second kind, division of a fraction by a whole number. And in third kind, division of a fraction by a fraction. For understanding division of a fraction, first we have to learn about reciprocal of a fraction. So what is the reciprocal of a fraction? It is simply an interchange between digits which are in the numerator and in the denominator. Suppose we have a fraction 3/4. When we interchange its digits which are in the numerator and in the denominator, we obtain a new fraction. So here, when we interchange digit of this fraction, we will get a new fraction which is 4/3. This resultant new fraction is known as the reciprocal of the fraction. For making reciprocal of the fraction, we simply interchange digit of the numerator and denominator. In the first fraction, 3 is in the numerator, and in the second fraction 3 is in the denominator. Similarly, here 4 is in the denominator, and in the reciprocal 4 is in the numerator. So 4/3 is the reciprocal of 3/4. So now start first kind of division of a whole number by a fraction. For understanding this kind of fraction, let's take one example for this. Here we have to divide 1 by 1/2. 1 is a whole number and 1/2 is a fraction. For dividing a whole number by any fraction, we have to multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So first we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and then we write reciprocal of this fraction. As I mentioned earlier, that for reciprocal we have to interchange the digit present in the numerator and in the denominator. So here is 2/1 as the reciprocal of 1/2. Now multiply this two digit or fraction as we multiply. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So our answer is 2/1. In second kind of division, we have to divide a fraction by a whole number. Let's take one example for this. Suppose we have to divide 3/4 by 3. Here 3/4 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. So process of division is same as I did in the previous question. First we write first fraction as it is. Then we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and then after we write reciprocal of the second digit or second fraction. Here 3 is a whole number and as we all know, we can write 3 as 3 upon 1. So reciprocal of 3 upon 1 is 1 by 3. Now we divide these two fractions. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. We can cancel out these two digits by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Our fraction is 1 by 4. In third kind of fraction, we have to divide a fraction by a fraction. Let's take one example for this. So process of division is also same here as we learned in the previous two kind. First we write first fraction as it is, then we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and then we write reciprocal of the second fraction, and here reciprocal of the 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6, and then after we simply multiply these two fractions. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So our fraction is 5 by 18. So students, let's start exercise 2.4, and question number first of 2.4 is find the division of 12 by 3 upon 4, and here are there are 6 parts of this question, and first part is 12 divided by 3 by 4. As I explained the process, first we write first number as it is, then we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and then we write the reciprocal of the second fraction or number. So here is 3 by 4 and reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. We can cancel out 3 and 12 here, or you can simply multiply 12 by 4 and 1 by 3 and then cancel out the digit. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Now multiply 4 by 4, our answer is 16, and 1 by 1, our answer is 1. So our final answer is 16. Similarly, you can solve second, third and fourth part of the question number 1. Now move to fifth part of the question number 1, and fifth part of the question number 1 is 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. First we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we apply same procedure for division. So first we write 3 divided by, convert 2 whole 1 by 3 into improper fraction. For this we multiply 3 by 2, our answer is 6, and then we add numerator portion to our product. So 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. From here we can start our division process. So first digit as it is, convert this division sign into multiplication sign and write reciprocal of the second fraction. So here is reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is 3 upon 7. Then multiply these two fraction, and we have 3 3s are 9 in the numerator and 7 1s are 7 in the denominator. So our answer is 9 upon 7, which is an improper fraction, and we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. For this, divide 9 by 7. 7 1s are 7 and 2 is the remainder. So we can write this improper fraction as 1 whole 2 upon 7. Now you can solve sixth part of the question by yourself. Move to our second question. And second question is, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. It is very simple question. In this question, first we have to write reciprocal of the given fraction. So our first fraction is 3 by 7 and its reciprocal is 7 upon 3. As we all know, if the numerator part is greater than the denominator, then it is a improper fraction. So it is improper fraction. In second part, we have 5 by 8 and reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Here numerator is greater than its denominator, so it is also an improper fraction. In the third part, fraction is 9 by 7 and the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. Here numerator is less than the denominator, so it is proper fraction. In the fourth part, we have 6 by 5 and reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here numerator is less than the denominator, so it is also a proper fraction. So by applying this method, you can solve rest of the part of this question. If you have 1 in the denominator, then the fraction is known as the whole number. Look at the example, 1 by 8 and its reciprocal is 8 by 1. When 1 appears in the denominator part, then this fraction is called a whole number. So sixth part of this number is a whole number. Now move to our third question. In third question, there are 6 parts and we have to divide a fraction by a whole number. Let's take first part of this question, and first part is 7 by 3 is divided by 2. As we all know, the process of division, first we write first number as it is, then we convert this division sign into multiplication, and then we write reciprocal of the second number or second fraction. Here 2 in the place of the second number, so we can write its reciprocal as 1 by 2. Now simply multiply these two fractions and we have 7 upon 6 as our answer. And we can also convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, and our final answer is 1 whole 1 by 6. You can solve rest of the part of this question by yourself, and we move to our next question, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to divide a fraction by a fraction, and we take its seventh part. So seventh part of this question is 3 whole 1 by 5 is divided by 1 whole 2 by 3. First we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For this, first we multiply these two digits and we add numerator part in the product. So we have 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5 here, and 5 upon 3 in the place of second fraction. Then we apply procedure of the division. For this, we write first fraction as it is. Then we convert this division sign into multiplication sign. And then we write reciprocal of the second fraction, and it is 3 upon 5. Then we simply multiply our fraction, and our answer is 48 upon 25. And we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now you can solve rest of the part of the question number 4 by yourself.